Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to add end screen for your YouTube videos. I will teach you two methods. The first one is adding the end screen at the time of uploading the video. The second method, if you already uploaded the video and wanted to add an end screen. So now, let's start at the first method. Click the icon at the top right corner, then click Upload a Video. Select a file that you want to upload. As per normal process, you need to provide title, thumbnails, and description. After that, click Next. The video element will appear. In here, you will now see the add-on end screen. You will have an option to import a video or add a video. You can choose between the two. If you select the import video, you will import a video that you would like to be the end screen. Then next is add. You can choose the element on your end screen. Just click the element at the top, then choose in the options. Just like this. If you want to add a subscribe button, click subscribe. Then if you want a video, click the video, then scroll and choose specific video. You can now a video that you want to add. Once you're done, just click save. Then, now you added an end screen for your YouTube videos. Let's proceed to the second method, adding an end screen to video that has been uploaded. First, go to your YouTube studios. Click Content. Choose a video that you want to add the end screen. Click Editor. You can now see the end screen option here. Just same process in the first method. Choose in the options what you want to add in your end screen. Then once you're done, just save it, then that's it. That's how you add end screen to your YouTube videos. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.